Solar frames are key components in designing a solar module that holds the different parts together, offers protection against harsh weather and improves durability. Anan Aluminum, a company with a complete aluminium-based material industry chain, from aluminium alloy casting rods, extrusion, surface treatment, machining and multi-material assembly, appreciated the significance of this product and has been involved in the research, development and manufacturing of solar aluminium profiles and frames since 2017. Using high-strength aluminium alloy provides outstanding resilience, reliability and resistance to corrosion and oxidation. They have the ability to reflect more heat, helping to enhance the overall conversion efficiency of a solar module. Our products are easy to clean and maintain due to their improved resistance to sunlight and scratches. Thanks to their high tensile strength, our frames can better resist the impact of harsh weather conditions such as snow, rain and wind. Produced in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with a capacity of 4.5 gigawatts per month, solar frames are moulded and assembled using high-precision tools with excellent surface finishing to ensure reliable performance and longer life. Since its establishment, Anan Aluminum has been engaged in the high-end industrial aluminium profile industry. We have high-end production equipment including an extrusion line, anodized line and fabrication line, as well as exquisite technology development and an excellent management team. We also ensure that our production is under the strict control of numerous international standards, as well as various relevant national production standards. Our products are widely used in the military industry, high-speed rail systems, aerospace and automobile industries, engineering machinery, green constructions, solar photovoltaics, power electronics, and many other fields.